के हमारे लास्ट सेशन बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट सेशन, क्योंकि हमारे जो चैम्पियंस हैं NABH डिजिटल हेल्थ स्टैंडर्ड्स के, उनको इस सेशन में ऑनर किया जाएगा। और पूरे देश भर से 100 ऐसे हॉस्पिटल्स या हेल्थ केयर प्रोवाइडर्स हैं जिन्हें आज ये सर्टिफिकेट यहाँ प्रदान किया जाएगा। और इस सेशन में हमारे बीच वी फील प्राउड टू हैव विद अस श्री जक्षय शाह जी, चेयरपर्सन क्वालिटी काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया। I will request Honorable Chairperson Quality Council of India to be on stage, and Rizwan Koiter Sahab, Chairperson NABH. I will request him to please come along with the Jakshay Shah Sahab, Chairman QCI, sir, please. And also Chakrabarti T Karan Sahab, Secretary General QCI. आपसे भी रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप सभी एक बार स्टेज पर आएँ। और साथ में हेमा गौरी भंडारी मैडम, चीफ एडवाइजर QCI, हेमा गौरी मैडम, एंड डॉक्टर अतुल मोहन कोचर, CEO NABH. I will request all of you to please come on a stage. और एक बार हम सब बिगनिंग में आपसे भी रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि एक बार हम सब नेशनल एंथम के लिए अपनी जगह खड़े हों, और नेशनल एंथम से इस सेशन की हम शुरुआत करेंगे। सो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू प्लीज स्टैंड फॉर नेशनल एंथम, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। नेशनल एंथम।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
थैंक यू आप सभी का। और मैं राष्ट्र प्रथम की सोच के साथ QCI लगातार आगे जीवन के हर क्षेत्र में पूरे देश में क्वालिटी के एश्योरेंस के साथ और क्वालिटी को स्थापित करने के लिए लगातार प्रयास कर रहा है। ऑनरेबल चेयरपर्सन की गाइडेंस में और उनकी लीडरशिप में मैं ऑनरेबल चेयरपर्सन QCI जक्षय शाह जी और डिग्निटी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, प्लीज़ लैंप लाइटिंग के लिए बधारें। आज के इस सत्र में, इस सेशन में लैंप लाइटिंग के साथ हम इस सेशन की शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं। Thank you very much, Honorable Chairperson sir, and all the dignitaries on the stage for lighting the lamp. सबके जीवन में खुशहाली हो, खुशी हो, कल्याण हो, शुभ हो और आरोग्य हो। हम बिल्कुल निरोग रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, ये सी कामना के साथ आइए शुरुआत करते हैं। और मैं सबसे पहले रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा रिजवान कोयटा सर, चेयरपर्सन NABH की एक प्लांट भेंट करके ऑनरेबल चेयरपर्सन QCI क्वालिटी काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया जक्षय शाह जी को एक बार हम वेलकम ज़रूर करना चाहते हैं इस सेशन में। और रिक्वेस्ट इसलिए कर रहे हैं कि एक बार आपकी करतल ध्वनि के साथ, तालियों के साथ देवियों से चुनो। आइए वेलकम करते हैं श्री जक्षय शाह, चेयरपर्सन क्वालिटी काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया, for guiding us, giving so much of time and always ready to help us. So in the very beginning, I will request Shri Chakrabarti T. Kannan Sahab, Secretary General QCI, to please come for his welcome address.
Good evening. So in the morning, some of you missed the session. I will just brief what was the morning session. We briefly spoke about NABH 3.0. What is the transformation we are trying to do? Number one, how can our NABH become more and more customer-centric? Number two, how we can reach the last mile. That way, healthcare quality excellence reaches every pin code in every village. Third, we spoke about how we can be future ready. The evening session is more about future ready. Most of us know the digital twin is the buzzword. Software has become more or less a commodity now. Even small hospitals nowadays run on software. So it is fantastic that under Rizwan's leadership, we have started Era 1. Era 1, we are bringing digital health standard. Apart from that, morning, our chairman launched eMitra platform, which is going to be useful for any clarification, any knowledge building, any best practice sharing, any skill building. So eMitra will provide whatever help required for the healthcare participants. Now looking out, Era 2, what do we need to do? Looking another 18 months away. There is some of the previous panel, we spoke about data, insight, and knowledge. There is a tremendous opportunity for us to partner with many of you and many of the startup. How do we convert data available into a knowledge? Also, there is a request from DPIT. How can we engage with the startup ecosystem? I will partner with many of you to start incubator program in this field. Also, there are a lot of interest shown by academia to start open innovation challenges. So I see tremendous opportunity, whatever Rizwan has started from digital, tremendous opportunity to take this forward. If I look back, we have accreditation committee, we have appeals committee, we have technical committee. Still, we don't have a data, AI, or taking this innovation as a committee, right? I see a lot of opportunity. I agree with Vaidya, Aditya, and Raghu. I echo your sentiment. I see a lot of opportunity looking ahead. Today is just the starting of the journey in the digital. We will extensively collaborate with each one of you to make the healthcare system stronger and stronger. Thank you, Chairman. Thank you, Rizwan. From morning, they have been kind enough to anchor the entire day. I will leave it to Chairman for concluding.
थैंक यू ऑनरेबल चक्रवर्ती टी कन्नन साहब, सेक्रेटरी जनरल साहब. हमने दिन में भी कुछ ऑनरेबल चेयरपर्सन QCI जक्षय शाह जी के लीडरशिप में जो डिजिटल हेल्थ स्टैंडर्ड्स और डिजिटल हेल्थ इनिशिएटिव्स जो बहुत यूनिक हैं, उसमें ख़ास तौर पर 4 इनिशिएटिव्स का जिक्र उस वीडियो में किया गया था. एक वो वीडियो को हम फिर से प्ले करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि वो इनिशिएटिव्स आप सब तक भी पहुंचना चाहिए, क्योंकि आप में से बहुत सारे लोग इस समय यहाँ उपस्थित हैं और देश भर से आए हुए हैं. सो लेट्स हैव दैट वीडियो ऑफ ये इनिशिएटिव्स टेकन बाय QCI एंड NABH इन हेल्थ सेक्टर.
The Quality Council of India, NABH, are driving India's Viksit Bharat journey with 4 key reforms under the Quality Bharat initiative. aimed to transforming healthcare quality to ensure accessibility, patient-centric and equitable care. Initiative 1, eMitra Chatbot. The eMitra Chatbot will simplify NABH accreditation and certification processes. Available 24/7 on platforms like WhatsApp and the NABH website, it will offer instant AI-driven responses, allowing users to access information, forms and checklists easily. Initiative 2, Mitra Physical Centers, Quality Bharat Regional Consortium. Mitra Physical Centers will support small hospitals in Tier 2, Tier 3 cities and rural areas by promoting NABH standards and helping hospitals achieve entry-level certification. The initiative will bring together industry leaders, academics, government officials and experts to address the challenges of healthcare quality. Initiative 3, E-Skilling Modules. NABH's e-skilling modules will offer interactive lessons and quizzes that make learning healthcare management and certification preparation accessible. Learners can register via WhatsApp and receive digital certificates upon completion. Initiative 4, Architects Empanelment. The Architects Empanelment Program will help hospitals ensure compliance with NABH's safety guidelines, creating facilities that prioritize patient safety through expert design and infrastructure planning. These initiatives mark a significant step towards Swasth Bharat, laying the foundation for Viksit Bharat as QCI and NABH lead the way in ensuring quality healthcare for all.
सो ये 4 की इनिशिएटिव्स ऑनरेबल चेयरपर्सन सर के गाइडेंस इनिशिएटिव पर ये पब्लिक हेल्थ सेक्टर में और हेल्थ के सेक्टर में इस रूप में बहुत यूज़फुल होने जा रही हैं. मैं आई नाउ रिक्वेस्ट मिस्टर रिजवान कोएटा, चेयरमैन NABH, टू कम फॉरवर्ड फॉर हिज इनॉग्रल एड्रेस. प्लीज़ रिजवान साहब.
So first of all, my apologies. I don't think at 8:45 in the night you want to have a look at the PowerPoint presentation on what NABH is going to do in digital. But the kinds of things that we are planning to do, there was no other way to do it but to actually share 4 or 5 slides with you guys. And as you can see in the title, it's actually a sneak preview. So, you're getting to see things which actually not too many people even at NABH have seen, because this is a little bit of new thinking. And we said we will kind of share those ideas and plans with our most ardent supporters, which are many of you all who have been sort of supporting NABH and have been kind enough to be involved in the first 100 certifications. So what I'll do in the next 5-6 slides is to just paint a picture for you in terms of how we see things evolve at NABH, and then you are currently seeing parts of the picture, and hopefully this will at least paint what the broad vision of what NABH can and should do. A small caveat: a lot of this is work in progress. A lot of this will only happen if we continue to get support from hospitals and partners and all of that, right? So this is sort of our aspiration. It is no way a confirmed plan, and there's a lot of work yet to be done. So we look at the digital strategy for NABH is consisting of sort of 3 dimensions. One is what NABH can do to help drive digital within the hospital, and the creation of the hospital standard was the first step in that direction. The second thing is how we can add NABH inside digital solutions, and part of that strategy is the creation of the NABH standards for HIS and EMR solutions that were launched this morning and will become broadly available by end of day. And then the third thing that I want to kind of cover and speak about today is what the role of partners is going to be in really driving broad-based adoption of all the different things that we are trying to do, and how that is going to be critically important. And then I'll just summarize by sort of saying, okay, what is the so what if we get all this thing right? What is going to be the big picture? So this is a sort of again more of a conceptual diagram, but I hope you all I can spend a minute explaining this. So if you look at what historically over the last 18 years NABH has done is box A, which is we had a standard for hospitals, and using the standard for hospitals, we were certifying and we were accrediting hospitals across India. And at this point of time, across the 26, 27 standards that we have, we cover 20,000 facilities. Okay, so it's a very large part of NABH's work. What we did in September of 2023 is that we actually came up with box B, which is using the core standard as the guiding principle. We developed something which we call the NABH Digital Health Standard for hospitals, and that's the standard that most of you all took, and you all tried to go through the certification process and completed that successfully. What we did this morning is actually the NABH certification for HIS and EMR products. And that standard, when you will read it, you will find that, oh, this looks so familiar to the core standard that we have, and it looks so similar to the digital health standard because it is supposed to be like that. It is supposed to be, we want to make sure that we have a 100% integrated approach between what hospitals need to do from a clinical perspective and the solutions that EMR and HIS products are going to build, so that when those vendors go out and build the products right, and then they implement it in a hospital, even if it's not an NABH certified hospital, those products will be building and incorporating a lot of the good practices of NABH. So for example, imagine there are certain guidelines required for antimicrobial resistance, right? If we can codify that in the software, then wherever the software is implemented, whether it's NABH certified or not, those hospitals are likely to follow better practices on antimicrobial resistance because that's how the software required the nurses and the doctors to be able to do. So we'll be able to benefit a very large number of hospitals by virtue of making sure that the products which are getting sold in the Indian market actually carry NABH, the juice of NABH, the logic of NABH is actually embedded inside those products. So I think that's a really big deal. And if we get this right, okay, and if we are able to, indeed, India is able to develop products which are consistent with the NABH guidelines, and we are able to see that, then India actually becomes the first country in the whole world, where we will have a fully integrated set of standards between the clinical standards, the digital standard for hospitals, and the EMR HI standard. So I think it's really a big deal, and we should be quite excited about it, yeah. The next thing which obviously we are all here to felicitate is the fact that we started the digital health standard for hospitals last year. I think Dr. Atul has already mentioned that we had 275 applications already. We've got 100 of you all certified today. But as importantly, we have actually done a lot of background work. So we have about 122 individuals across the length and breadth of the country who have now got certified as digital health assessors by NABH. And we have also started to create more and more programs for training. In the previous panel, there was a lot of focus around training. So we've already trained 550 professionals in the last year. And now with the launch of the digital health standards in the foundation course, which we had this morning, we really think that the number of individuals that NABH can reach out to from a digital perspective and make them more aware of what is happening in digital will only going to scale very, very rapidly. So we've done a lot of the groundwork over the course of the last 1 year, and we're really set to take off. My only request to each one of you in the audience is when you go back home and when you share what is happening at NABH and what certificate that you all got, I think it would be fantastic if each one of you all can reach out to 5, 10 friends of yours who are running different hospitals and kind of share about what NABH is doing, because we really need word of mouth. We really need word of mouth. Go back to your respective cities, towns, whatever. And I think if we can spread the gospel of what we are trying to do, I think that's going to be a big impetus for us having a very, very steep ramp-up curve. Yeah. This is the standard that we launched this morning. I won't go into the details, but I would just suffice to say that's completely aligned with the NABH standard, so that's a pretty cool thing. It's completely aligned with the National Health Authority's vision of what they want ABDM to do. In fact, when you'll read the standard, you will find out that for HIS and EMR products to even apply for NABH, they have to go through the ABDM validation process. So we want to make sure that whatever we are trying to do at NABH is completely aligned with what the National Health Authority and the Ministry of Health wants us to do. The standards incorporate a lot of global best practices, and finally, and I'll talk about this in the next slide, it's a highly modular approach, and let me tell you why this is so cool, okay? So again, you guys are the first folks to see the slide ever, so that makes me really excited. So this is sort of how we think NABH can scale, okay, from a technology perspective, and in fact, even as standards. So think of the left-hand side as the hospital world and the right-hand side as the clinic world. And on the left-hand side, what got released today is this gray box, which says NABH, HIS, EMR standard for hospitals. It got released today. What we believe the opportunity is that partnering with industry bodies, right? So for example, NABH has an MOU with the National Cancer Grid. What NABH should be doing is going to the National Cancer Grid and saying, hey, we would like to co-develop a cancer module. So what that means is you already have lots of guidelines, which we already covered here, which are covered as part of the standard thing that every hospital has to do. But by the way, if you're a cancer hospital, then you should be doing this extra 50, 100 things, because you will have to have specialized capabilities in medical oncology and surgical oncology and radiation oncology and perhaps a tumor board and so on and so forth. So it would be great if NABH can build a cancer module, which will be, if you're a cancer hospital, you get the standard HIS EMR product, but you can also request the product company to make sure that they are compliant to the cancer module. This morning, we saw a partnership between NABH and Foxy and the Manyata program, and that was more around doing the validation of hospitals. But you could take that same Manyata, and then NABH could sit down with Foxy and say, hey, we want to create a module which is the OBGY module. So now what happens is that if I'm an EMR vendor, I can either get NABH certified, or I can get NABH plus I can have a certification for the OBGY module. And what that does is if I go to a nursing home, then I can tell the nursing home that, hey, I've got the standard EMR, but I've also got all this extra stuff in my product, which has been validated by NABH and by Foxy. In the same way, if you go on the other side, if you look at a clinic, we don't have it today, but hopefully in the next year, 18 months, we will take the NABH clinic standard, and we'll convert that into a NABH clinic EMR standard. So it'll be a similar book to the one that got released today, but that'll be a book where if you are a product vendor supplying tools for a clinic, then you'll need to comply with that. But even there, what we could do is we could say, hey, by the way, diabetes affects 250, 300 million people in India. What are the special rules that diabetes software should have? So we can go and then partner with the best partner out there, right? And, for example, we have, RSSDI, we have the Secretary General of RSSDI sitting in the audience. We say, hey, by the way, you know what? Would you be open to having a partnership with NABH where we can create a diabetes module? So then a product vendor has to go through build the standard features, which can work in every clinic, but they also have this extra bells and whistles which have been powered by the rules of RSSDI, right? So I don't want to belabor the point, but you can start to see how NABH, right, can in some ways become a massive integrating factor in the industry, where using the power of technology, we can do the base work, and then we can collaborate with very large industry bodies to be able to really drive a sophistication which perhaps is not available with NABH, but each of these very large entities, right, do have a very, very deep understanding of what are the features and what are the rules, what are the clinical and evidence-based guidelines, and those can start to get incorporated into healthcare products in India. So imagine we are able to execute, and I'm just using the word imagine because, as I said earlier, I'm going to repeat this, This is only a vision, okay? And we have a long way to go, and we'll need lots of partnerships and lots of support from the industry to make it happen. But if we can make it happen, I think this is going to be really, really cool. So I am very excited about what we are trying to do here. I think. And then finally, how does all this help the hospitals? How does it help EMR vendors? How does it help other stakeholders? So let me take another 2 minutes and then I'll wind up, okay? Imagine you're a hospital today, you want to buy an EMR. You have to figure it out for yourself. Now what you're hoping is no hospital in India ever should have to figure out what an EMR needs to have. The only thing they should do is they should go to the NABH site, they should download the NABH EMR HIS standard, and they should just put a tick mark to all the features they need. If they don't need a feature, don't put a tick mark. They should be able to take that document and just publish it. Now, if you're an EMR vendor and you get a list like that, which has a lot of takes on it, you've seen that list before. Because you're NABH certified, so you actually use the same list to certify yourself. So suddenly, a massively complicated task of, oh my God, I want to buy an EMR and I don't know how to get started, is literally about going to the NABH website, downloading the standard, putting ticks to all the features you need, issuing an RFP, and requesting your vendor to tell, okay, which of these ticks do you have and which you don't have. So the NABH standard, if we are able to use that as part of our procurement process, in the way RFPs get written, in the way RFPs get responded, it reduces the friction between the buyer and the seller. And what happens is you increase the velocity of digital transformation. What is stopping digital transformation from happening, right? The buyer, the hospital is very keen, the seller, the digital company is very keen. They just don't have a common vocabulary. And what the NABH standards is providing is that common vocabulary. So we think that both for hospitals and for EMR vendors, it's a really, really cool thing to be able to refer to a common document, which has been put together by lots of industry experts. And what it's going to do is going to drive digital transformation for hospitals, but it's going to also drive massively business for the vendors. And we do want that some of the best technology companies in healthcare should actually come from India. And if you're able to do that, then kind of goes back to the panel discussion, right? That we're going to start to create so much high quality data, which in today's world with AI and analytics and all that kind of cool stuff, I think it really makes India at the forefront of innovation now. So with that, I'm going to sort of pause here and wish all of us all the very, very best. I think in the same way as UPI and other tools have really revolutionized financial services, I think if we can just all agree that we are going to make this initiative a success, then we can ensure that the EMR and HIS standard, which is just the first step in the journey, can really play a catalytic role in driving digital transformation in India. So thank you very, very much, and hopefully this was exciting for you guys as well. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rizwan Goita, Honorable Chairperson, NABH. Ladies and gentlemen, I will request Honorable Chairperson, QCI, Shri Jakshay Shahji, to come forward for his inaugural address in this session. Respected Jakshay Shahji.
Good evening, everyone. Our SG, Mr. Kannan, Chief Advisor, Mrs. Hema, Rizwan Goita, our NABH Chairman, our CEO Atul, dignitary of the stage. A very warm welcome to all our esteemed guests, friends and distinguished members for the healthcare community. It is an honor to stand before you today on this occasion, especially, where we celebrate a significant milestone in healthcare, the launch of the NABH Digital Health Standards. This initiative not only integrates technology with quality care, but also signals a new era of healthcare transformation in India. And many thanks to Rizwan, Atul, and team for this transformation. Friends, the NABH digital health standards are a direct response to these evolving needs. This initiative underscores our commitment to making Indian healthcare more efficient, transparent, and patient-centric. By integrating digital tools into healthcare system, we are bridging gaps not just in geography, but also in access to timely, high-quality medical care. The launch of this standard is not just a step forward. It's a leap into the future of healthcare delivery. As we speak about this digital health transformation, we acknowledge the responsibility that comes with it. Surakshit Swasthya Sabka Adhikar. The safe health is everyone's right is a mantra that guides our efforts. Every individual, regardless of where they live or their socio-economic status, deserves to receive the best possible care, and this initiative aims to make that a reality. Friends, I would like to take a moment to acknowledge and congratulate the first 100 early adopters of the NABH Digital Health Standard. You are our brand ambassador from across the country. Your commitment to integrating this standard is not just commendable, but it's revolutionary. Thanks, all of you. Friends, by embracing this digital transformation, you are not only easing the burden on the healthcare providers, but also streamlining the journey for patients. You are making sure that every patient receives timely, efficient, and quality care. Your leadership in adopting these standards will serve as an inspiration for other healthcare providers, creating a connected and equitable healthcare system for our nation. Today's launch is a call to action. It is an invitation for all of us to come together to build a robust healthcare ecosystem that serves every individual across the length and breadth of this great nation. I have no doubt that NABH Digital Health Initiative, under the leadership of Rizwan and Atul, will be a catalyst for change and will play a pivotal role in redefining healthcare system. Together can create a healthcare system that is not just the best in country, but a model for the world. Let's continue our journey towards excellence in healthcare, ensuring that every step we take is a step towards a healthier, safer future for all. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairperson, QCI, Jaksha Shah Sahab. And ladies and gentlemen, we have received a video message also from the Union, Honorable Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Shri J.P. Nadda Sahab. I will request my technical team to play the message.
Shri Jaksha Shah Ji, the Chairperson, Quality Council of India, Shri Rizwan Koita Ji, Chairperson, NABH, Shri Chakravarti Kannan, the Secretary General of Quality Council of India, Dr. Atul Mohan Kochar, CEO of NABH, respected guests, healthcare experts, and dear friends. I am proud that today we have come together to celebrate World Patient Safety Day. This day, initiated by WHO in 2019, reminds us that the patient safety is not just the responsibility of a healthcare providers, but a global goal. The objective is to build a system where patient safety is given the highest priority. This year's theme is improving diagnosis for patient safety. We all understand the importance of accurate and timely diagnosis. If an illness is detected at the right time, the treatment process improves, complications can be avoided, and lives can be saved. It is therefore crucial for us to raise awareness and invest more resources to strengthen this aspect. I am delighted that the NABH has organized Patient Safety Conference on this occasion. This conference brings together experts from across the country, along with representatives from the hospitals, Ayush Digital Health, diagnostic services, and medical education, who will collaboratively discuss diagnostic safety, patient safety, and quality. I am happy to know that NABH digital health standards are also being launched today. It is essential to establish standards and guidelines for systems like health information systems and electronic medical records, EMR. Today, when patient data is transferred from one hospital to another, or several challenges arise, which include data security, interoperability, and accuracy of information. The new digital health standards by NABH will ensure that all these aspects are addressed so that patient information remains secure and easily accessible. Our government's continuous effort is to promote innovations in healthcare services and expand digital healthcare. Today, we are utilizing telemedicine and e-health services in remote areas where access to specialized medical experts is limited. This has proven to be life-saving for patients living in far-flung regions. The digital health standards will ensure that every citizen benefits from this innovation without compromising the quality of the healthcare services. I would also like to emphasize that NABH's accreditation system has played a very significant role in raising the standards of the healthcare services in the country. NABH accreditation is not just certificate, but a mark of quality. We must ensure that NABH standards reach even smallest hospitals in the country so that every citizen has access to high quality healthcare services. I firmly believe that announcements and steps taken during this conference will further strengthen our nation's healthcare system, and I extend my best wishes to NABH and all the institutions participating in this event. Thank you very much for giving me a patient hearing. Thank you.
We are grateful to Honorable Union Health and Family Welfare Minister J.P. Nadda sir for his best wishes. देवी सज्जनों, NABH डिजिटल हेल्थ स्टैंडर्ड्स के हमारे चैम्पियंस को यहाँ फेलिसिटेट करने का यह समय है, सम्मानित करने का समय है, जिन्हें 3 कैटेगरीज में हम यहाँ पर सम्मानित कर रहे हैं, फेलिसिटेट कर रहे हैं, प्लेटिनम, गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर कैटेगरी में। और देश के 100 हॉस्पिटल्स और हेल्थ केयर प्रोवाइडर्स जो है उन्हें यहाँ ऑनरेबल चेयरपर्सन QCI अपने हाथों से सम्मानित करेंगे, सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ एक्रेडिटेशन भेंट करके और साथ में मेमेंटो भेंट करके। एंड वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद द प्लेटिनम कैटेगरी एंड द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एक बार तो यह है कि चूंकि बहुत सारे लोगों ने इसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया और उसमें से 100 ऐसे हॉस्पिटल्स को और हेल्थ केयर प्रोवाइडर्स को चुना गया है जो स्टैंडर्ड्स को मीट करते हैं, उन सबके लिए आपकी तरफ से एक तालियों की गूंज ज़रूर आनी चाहिए। सबको हमारी तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई, गुड विशेस, बेस्ट ऑफ लक। एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद द प्लेटिनम कुसुम Dheeraj Lal, KD Hospital from Ahmedabad. I will request the team to come on stage and receive the certificate of accreditation from Chairperson QCI and also a memento from the QCI and NABH. So Kusum Dheeraj Lal, KD Hospital from Ahmedabad. Many congratulations to the team of Kosumdi Rajlal KD Hospital, Ahmedabad. The next is Shri Krishna Hospital, Gujarat. I will invite the team of Shri Krishna Hospital, Gujarat to come on the stage. So Shri Krishna Hospital, Gujarat. In our platinum category, they are also getting their certificate of accreditation or memento. And of course, huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let's wish them all the best. Next, I will invite Vedahi Hospital from Bangalore. The team from Vedahi Hospital, please come on the stage. And Honorable Chairperson QCI will be felicitating them with a certificate of accreditation and memento. Vedahi Hospital from Bangalore. इनके लिए भी आप सबकी तरफ से तालियां बजनी चाहिए. Aster CMI Hospital, Bangalore. This is from Sahkar Nagar, Bangalore, in fact. And I will be inviting the team from Aster CMI Hospital, Sahkar Nagar, Bangalore, to come on stage and receive this certificate of accreditation and also a memento from Honorable Chairperson QCI. Under this platinum category, we have the next hospital, Max Super Speciality Hospital, West Block, Delhi. The team of Max Super Speciality Hospital, West Block, Delhi, will be receiving this certificate, this honor from Honorable Chairperson QCI. आप सबकी तरफ से आप सबकी बहुत सारी गुड विशेस के साथ, this is Max Super Speciality Hospital, West Block, Delhi. Next is Max Super Speciality Hospital, East Block, Delhi. Same team will be receiving this honor also. The same team from Max Super Speciality Hospital will be receiving this honor also. The Platinum Certificate of Accreditation from Honorable Chairperson. Next hospital in this category is Human Care Medical Charitable Trust, New Delhi. I will invite the team members of this from this hospital to receive this honor on the stage. A certificate of accreditation and memento from Honorable Chairperson QCI. Human Care Medical Charitable Trust, New Delhi. The next hospital is NHS Hospital, Jalandhar. The team from NHS Hospital, Jalandhar, I will request all of them to please come on stage and receive the honor, the certificate of accreditation and memento. NHS Hospital, Jalandhar. A unit of NASA Brain and Spine Center, NHS Hospital, Jalandhar. Kaveri Hospital, Chennai is the next hospital which is going to receive this honor. Kaveri Hospital, Chennai, a unit of Sri Kaveri Medical Care India Limited. So the team from Kaveri Hospital, Chennai is on the stage to receive the honors. The next team is Sri Kaveri Medical Care India Limited, Tiruchirappalli, and I will request the team from this hospital, Sri Kaveri Medical Care India Limited, Tiruchirappalli, to come on a stage to receive the honors. Now I will invite Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurugram. The team from the hospital will be coming on a stage to receive the certificate and memento on this stage in presence of all the dignitaries here. Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurugram. The next hospital in this category, platinum category, is Parul Sevashram Hospital, Vadodara, Gujarat. Parul Institute of Medical Science and Research के अंतर्गत पारुल सेवाश्रम हॉस्पिटल, वडोदरा. The next hospital which is going to receive the honors, MGM Healthcare Private Limited, Chennai. I will invite the representatives, the team members from this hospital, MGH Healthcare Private Limited, Chennai, to please come on stage to receive the honors. Please come. MGM Healthcare Private Limited, Chennai. Malabar Institute of Medical Sciences Limited, Calicut. Malabar Institute of Medical Sciences Limited, they are also receiving the Platinum Certificate of Accreditation along with the memento from Honorable Chairperson QCI. Malabar Institute of Medical Sciences Limited, Calicut. The next in this platinum category is Yashoda Super Speciality Hospital, Ghaziabad. Yashoda Super Speciality Hospital, Ghaziabad. Dr. Upasana Arora is receiving the honors, certificate of accreditation and also the memento. Aster MedCity, Kochi. The team from this hospital, I will request to please come on a stage to receive the honors, accreditation of certificate of accreditation and memento. Aster MedCity, Kochi. And after this, I will be inviting Manipal Hospitals Private Limited, Pune, to receive the Platinum Certificate of Accreditation. Manipal Hospitals Private Limited, Pune. The team members of this hospital, please come on stage to receive the honors. Manipal Hospitals Private Limited. So this is Manipal Hospitals Private Limited, Pune, and the next is Aditya Birla Memorial Hospital, also from Pune. I will request the team members to be close to the stage so that without wasting much time, they can receive the certificate. Aditya Birla Memorial Hospital from Pune, please come forward. Aditya Birla Memorial Hospital, and after that Manipal Hospital Bangalore will be ready to receive. This is Sarajpur Road branch of Manipal Hospital will be ready. This time, right now, this Aditya Birla Memorial Hospital Pune is receiving the honors. Manipal Hospitals Bangalore, Sarajpur Road, please come on stage. Manipal Hospitals Bangalore, Sarajpur Road. The next will be the Indraprasth Medical Corporation Limited, Delhi. The team members are requested to be close to the stage so that they can receive the certificate and memento. Indraprasth Medical Corporation Limited, Delhi, to receive the honors. Indraprasth Medical Corporation Limited, Delhi. The next will be the Fortis Flight Lieutenant Rajan Dhal Hospital, Delhi, Vasant Kunj, and the members of the team are requested to be close to the stage to receive the honors. Right now, the Indraprasth Medical Corporation Limited, Delhi is receiving the certificate. Fortis Flight Lieutenant Rajan Dhal Hospital, Delhi, Vasant Kunj. And after that, Manipal Hospitals Private Limited, Ghaziabad will be ready and will be close to the stage to receive the honors. Fortis Flight Lieutenant Rajan Dhal Hospital, Vasant Kunj, Delhi. They are receiving the certificate and memento. The next team is Manipal Hospitals Private Limited, Ghaziabad, and I will request the team members to be on stage to receive the honors, certificate and memento. And after that, the Manipal Hospital Baner, Pune team will be ready to receive this honor. This is Manipal Hospitals Private Limited. Manipal Hospital Baner, Pune team, I will request to please come on stage to receive the honors. Manipal Hospital Baner, Pune. The next is Fortis Hospital, Gautam Buddha Nagar, Noida. The team members will be close to the stage to receive the honors. Manipal Hospital, the team members are receiving this honor, certificate of accreditation and memento. Fortis Hospital, Gautam Buddha Nagar, Noida. The team members are requested to come on stage to receive the honors. Fortis Hospital, Gautam Buddha Nagar, Noida, and after that the Faridabad Fortis Hospital Limited team will be ready to receive the honors. The team members from the Fortis Hospital Limited, Faridabad are requested to be close to the stage to receive the certificate as well as the memento from chairperson and other dignitaries. Fortis Hospitals Limited, Faridabad. And after that, Fortis Hospital, Shalimar Bagh, New Delhi will be ready to receive the honors. Please come close to the stage. Right now, the Fortis Hospitals Limited, Faridabad is receiving the honors. Fortis Hospital, Shalimar Bagh, New Delhi. The team members of this hospital are requested to come on stage to receive the honors in presence of such an eminent personalities and gathering. Fortis Hospital, Shalimar Bagh, New Delhi. The next will be the Moolchand Hospital, Delhi. The members of this hospital are requested to be close to the stage to receive the honor. Moolchand Hospital, Delhi is the next team to receive the certificate. Moolchand Hospital, Delhi. And after that, Apollo Hospitals, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad, the team will be ready from this hospital and will be close to the stage to receive the honors. Right now, the Moolchand Hospital, Delhi is receiving the certificate and the memento from the chairperson QCI and other dignitaries. Moolchand Hospital, Delhi. Apollo Hospitals, Jubilee Hill, Hyderabad, the team members from the hospital are requested to come on stage to receive the honors. Apollo Hospitals, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad team, please come on stage. And the next will be Aster Hospital, Bangalore. I will request the Aster Hospital team to be close to the stage to receive the honor. This platinum category honor is being presented to the hospitals and healthcare providers. Next is Aster Hospital, Bangalore team. They are on stage to receive the honors, and after that Dr. Jivraj Mehta Smarak Health Foundation and Bakeri Medical Research Center, Ahmedabad team will be ready. Please come. Aster Hospital, Bangalore team is receiving the honors. Dr. Jivraj Mehta Smarak Health Foundation and Bakeri Medical Research Center, Ahmedabad team is here on stage to receive the certificate of accreditation and memento. The next team will be Srimad Rajchandra Hospital and Research Center, Valsad, Gujarat. And I will request the team members of this hospital to be close to the stage to receive the honor. Right now, Dr. Jivraj Mehta Smarak Health Foundation and Bakeri Medical Research Center, Ahmedabad is receiving the certificate. Srimad Rajchandra Hospital and Research Center, Valsad, Gujarat team, please come on stage. The next hospital is Fortis Healthcare Limited, Mumbai, and the team members from this hospital are requested to be ready to come on stage. Fortis Healthcare Limited, Mumbai team. Fortis Healthcare Limited, Mumbai team is requested to be on stage to receive the certificate and memento. The Fortis Healthcare Limited, Mumbai, then Aster RB Hospital, Bangalore. Right now, the Fortis Healthcare Limited, Mumbai team is receiving the honors. Aster RB Hospital, Bangalore, a unit of Aster DM Healthcare Limited. The team is here on the stage to receive the honors, a certificate of accreditation and a memento from the chairperson and other dignitaries. Aster RB Hospital, Bangalore. The next one will be Manipal Hospital, Rustam Bagh, Bangalore. The team is requested to be ready. Manipal Hospital, Rustam Bagh, Bangalore team is requested to be close to the stage so that they can receive the honors just after this team. Manipal Hospital, Rustam Bagh, Bangalore. Please come on the stage. The next, Amri Hospitals Limited, North 24 Paragana, West Bengal team will be ready to receive the certificate. Right now, the Manipal Hospital, Rustam Bagh, Bangalore team is receiving this certificate. AMRI Hospitals Limited, North 24 Paragana, West Bengal team is here on the stage to receive the certificate and memento. And after that, Fortis Hospital, Karnataka, the Banerghatta Road team will be ready to receive the certificate. The next in this platinum category, Fortis Hospital, Karnataka. Fortis Hospital, Karnataka, Bannerghatta Road. They are receiving the honors. And next, after the platinum, we have the gold category. And in this, the Sarvodaya Hospital and Research Center Faridabad team is requested to be close to the stage to receive the gold certificate of accreditation and memento. Sarvodaya Hospital and Research Center Faridabad team, please come on stage. And the next will be Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute and Research Center, Delhi. The team from this institute and the research center is requested to be ready to receive the honors just after this Sarvodaya Hospitals and Research Center, Faridabad team. Next, Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute and Research Center, Delhi. Please come. After Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute and Research Center, Delhi, the Cygnus Maharaja Agrasen Hospital, Panipat team will be ready and close to the stage to receive the honors without wasting any time. So, Cygnus Maharaja Agrasen Hospital, Panipat is requested to be close to the stage. Right now, the Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute and Research Center, Delhi is receiving the honors. Cygnus Maharaja Agrasen Hospital, Panipat team is requested to come on a stage to receive the honors, certificate and memento. From Panipat, the team is here. The next will be Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences, Rangareddy, Telangana. The team from KIMS Institute, Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences, that it KIMS, Rangareddy, Telangana, is requested to be close to the stage so that they can receive the next gold certificate from the chairperson and other dignitaries. KIMS, Rangareddy, Telangana team is requested to come on stage to receive the honors. KIMS, Rangareddy, Telangana. And after that, from Hisar, we have Aadhar Health Institute, and team members from the institute are requested to be ready to get the gold certificate from the dignitaries on the dais. Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences, Rangareddy is receiving the honors. And after that, ladies and gentlemen, we will have Aadhar Health Institute Hisar team to be on stage to receive the certificate. Please come, Aadhar Health Institute Hisar. And the team from Felix Hospital Noida will be close to the stage so that they can also receive just after this team, Aadhar Health Institute Hisar. The Felix Hospital Noida team will be ready to receive the honors. Felix Hospital Noida team is requested to come on stage to receive the honors. Felix Hospital Noida team. Felix Hospital team Noida. And after that, UN Mehta Institute of Cardiology, Ahmedabad team will be ready to receive the honors. After Felix Hospital Noida, UN Mehta Institute of Cardiology, Ahmedabad. The team from the hospital is requested to be ready to receive the honors. UN Mehta Institute of Cardiology, Ahmedabad team is here to receive the certificate as well as the memento. UN Mehta Institute of Cardiology. And after that, the PD Hinduja Hospital and Medical Research Center, Mumbai team is requested to be ready and to be close to the stage to receive the honors. PD Hinduja Hospital and Medical Research Center, Mumbai. The team members are requested to come close to the stage. PD Hinduja Hospital and Medical Research Center, Mumbai team. We can move on to the next hospital. The Arpana Hospital, Karnal. The team members from Arpana Hospital, Karnal, they are requested to come on stage to receive the honors. From Karnal, Arpana Hospital, if any member of the hospital is here, please. I think they have left. The next is Jupiter Hospital from Thane. Jupiter Hospital team from Thane is requested to come on stage to receive the honors. Jupiter Hospital Thane team, please come. And after that, the Jupiter Lifeline Hospital Limited Pune team will be close to the stage to receive the honors. But right now, the Jupiter Hospital Thane team is receiving the gold certificate of accreditation and memento. Jupiter Lifeline Hospitals Limited, Pune team is requested to come on stage, and after that Vishesh Jupiter Hospital Indore team will be ready and will be close to the stage. Vishesh Jupiter Hospital Indore. Vishesh Jupiter Hospital Indore. Please come. Vishesh Jupiter Hospital. The next one will be Manipal Hospital, Mysore. The team from this hospital, Manipur Hospital, Mysore, is requested to be close to the stage to receive the honors. I will just request you please take your seats. All the photographs will be made available to all the hospital representatives who are here from the NABH. So we have here from Mysore, Manipal Hospital team. Sir Gangaram Hospital team from Delhi will be the next one to receive the honors. Right now the Manipal Hospital team, Mysore, they are receiving the honors, certificate and memento. Now the Sir Gangaram Hospital, Delhi, is on a stage to receive the honors, and Master Aadhar Hospital Kolhapur team is requested to be close to the stage so that they can, just after this, they can receive the honors. Sir Gangaram Hospital Delhi team is on a stage to receive the honors. The next team is Aster Aadhar Hospital Kolhapur, and I will request the team members to come on stage and receive the honor, the certificate and the memento. Aster Aadhar Hospital Kolhapur, and the next one will be Manipal Hospitals Guntur. The team from the Manipal Hospital Guntur will be receiving the next award, next certificate, and I will request the team members to be close to the stage just after this Aster Aadhar Hospital Kolhapur team. They will be receiving the honors, certificate and memento. Manipal Hospitals Guntur team is requested to be on a stage to receive the honors, and the next Miracles Hospital Bhopal team will be ready. Please come close to the stage. Miracle Hospital Bhopal team is requested to be close to the stage to receive the honors. Right now, the Manipal Hospitals Guntur team is receiving the certificate of accreditation and memento. Manipal Hospitals Guntur. Now, Miracles Hospital Bhopal team is requested to come on stage to receive the honors, the certificate of accreditation and memento. The Miracles Hospital Bhopal representative is here on stage to receive the honors. Next will be the Aditya Hospital, Bangalore. The team from the Aditya Hospital, Bangalore is requested to be close to the stage. Aditya Hospital, Bangalore, requesting the team members to come on stage. Next will be the Synergy Super Speciality Hospital, Rajkot, and the team members from this hospital from Rajkot, Synergy Super Speciality Hospital, requested to be close to the stage to receive the honors. Right now, Aditya Hospital from Bangalore receiving the honors. And now I am inviting Synergy Super Speciality Hospital Rajkot team to receive the certificate and memento. Synergy Super Speciality Hospital. The next is Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mohali, Punjab. Team members from this hospital, Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mohali, requested to be close to the stage to receive the honors. I will request the team members from Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mohali, to be close to the stage. If anybody is from Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mohali, please raise your hands. Please come. So this is the team from Mohali, Punjab, from Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mohali. Next will be PSG Hospitals, Kannur. The team from this hospital are requested to be close to the stage. From Kannur, PSG Hospitals. Please come on stage. PSG Hospitals Kannur team is requested to be on a stage. Please come. PSG Hospitals Kannur. The next will be the Malabar Institute of Medical Sciences Limited, Calicut, and the team members from this Malabar Institute of Medical Sciences Limited are requested to be close to the stage to receive the honors certificate and memento. Malabar Institute of Medical Sciences Limited. If any member of the hospital is here, please raise your hands. Please come. The Malabar Institute of Medical Sciences Limited, Calicut. ठीक है मैं बुला रहा हूँ स्पॉन्टेनियसली बुला रहा हूँ Malabar Institute of Medical Sciences Limited के बाद the Kingsway Hospital नागपुर की टीम प्लीज कम क्लोज टू द स्टेज. किंग्सवे हॉस्पिटल नागपुर की टीम और उसके बाद सतगुरु प्रताप सिंह हॉस्पिटल लुधियाना की टीम, उनसे भी रिक्वेस्ट है कि वो भी स्टेज के नजदीक रहेंगे. राइट नाउ द Malabar Institute of Medical Sciences Limited Calicut is receiving the honors, the certificate and memento, and after that the Kingsway Hospital Nagpur team is requested to be on stage. Please come. Satguru Pratap Singh Hospital Ludhiana team, please come close to the stage. Satguru Pratap Singh Hospital Ludhiana. So these were the gold certificate. These hospitals have been given the gold certificate of accreditation, and the next is the silver category. And in silver category, the first name is by Jerbai Wadia Hospital for Children, Mumbai. By Jerbai Wadia Hospital for Children, Mumbai. The Eternal Hospital Jaipur team. Eternal Hospital Jaipur team is requested to be on stage. Eternal Hospital Jaipur team, please come on stage. Eternal Hospital team is here. The next, Care Hospitals, High Tech City, Hyderabad team. Care Hospitals, High Tech City, Hyderabad team. Eternal Hospital Jaipur team is here on stage to receive the honors, certificate and memento. Eternal Hospital Jaipur team. The next is Care Hospitals High Tech City Hyderabad team. Please wait, just few. Just let them go. Eternal Hospital Jaipur team is receiving this certificate. And now the Care Hospitals High Tech City Hyderabad team is requested to be on a stage to receive the honors. And next is St. Gregorius Medical Mission Hospital from Kerala. After this Care Hospital, the St. Gregorius Medical Mission Hospital. This is Pathanamthitta, the name of the place, and the state is Kerala. They will be receiving the honors. And after that, BAPS Yogiji Maharaj Hospital, Ahmedabad team is requested to be close to the stage. BAPS Yogiji Maharaj Hospital, Ahmedabad team, please. Please. Next is BAPS Yogiji Maharaj Hospital, Ahmedabad team is requested to come on stage to receive the honors certificate and memento. And after that, the Princess Durushehvar Children's and General Hospital Hyderabad team is requested to be close. The Princess Durushehvar Children's and General Hospital team from Hyderabad will be receiving the honors. Please come on stage. Princess Durushehvar Children's and General Hospital, Hyderabad. After that, Mehta Multi-Speciality Hospital India Private Limited, Chennai team is requested to be close to the stage to receive the certificate. Right now, the Princess Durushehvar Children's and General Hospital, Hyderabad team is receiving the certificate. Next, Mehta Multi-Speciality Hospital India Private Limited, Chennai. Mehta Multi-Speciality Hospital India Private Limited. Please come on stage. Next will be the Prakash Hospital Noida. The team from Prakash Hospital Noida is requested to be close to this stage, please. Prakash Hospital Noida team, please come. So this is the Prakash Hospital Noida team is coming on stage to receive the honors. And the next team will be from Mahatma Gandhi Medical College and Research Institute, Puducherry. Prakash Hospital team is receiving the honors, and Mahatma Gandhi Medical College and Research Institute, Puducherry team is requested to be close to the stage so that just after this, they can receive the certificate and memento on a stage. Mahatma Gandhi Medical College, the team members, any team member from this Mahatma Gandhi Medical College and Research Institute, Puducherry? I think they have left, Shah. The next is Star Hospitals, Hyderabad. The Star Hospitals, Hyderabad team is requested to come on stage. Star Hospitals, Hyderabad team. Let me invite the next hospital, Pushpagiri Medical College Hospital from Kerala. Pathanamthitta, Kerala, Pushpagiri Medical College Hospital. Pushpagiri. Pushpagiri Medical College Hospital. The next is Manvatkar Multi-Speciality Hospital, Chandrapur, Maharashtra. Please come. The Manvatkar Multi-Speciality Hospital, Chandrapur, Maharashtra team is receiving the certificate. And after that, Sri Jayadeva Institute of Cardiovascular, Bangalore team is requested to be close to the stage. After Manvatkar Multi-Speciality Hospital, Sri Jayadeva Institute of Cardiovascular, Bangalore team is requested to receive the honors on a stage. Sri Jayadeva Institute of Cardiovascular, Bangalore team. Next is Ramakrishna Care Hospital, Raipur. Ramakrishna Care Hospital, Raipur team is requested to be here, close to the stage. Ramakrishna Care Hospital, Raipur. Please clear the passage. Please clear the passage. Shri Jayadeva Institute of Cardiovascular, Bangalore team is receiving the honors. Next is Ramakrishna Care Hospital, Raipur team. Please come on stage. Ramakrishna Care Hospital, Raipur team. Please come. The next will be Star Care Hospital, Kozhikode Private Limited, Kozhikode. From Kerala, Star Care Hospital, Kozhikode Private Limited team is requested to be close to the stage to receive the honors just after this Ramakrishna Care Hospital, Raipur. Star Care Hospital, Kozhikode Private Limited, from Kerala. Next is Care Hospitals, Odisha. The team members of Care Hospitals, Odisha, requested to be close to the stage. From Odisha. Care Hospital, Odisha team is requested to come on stage. Please come. Please come. Care Hospitals, Odisha. And after that, the Glen Eagles BGS Hospital, Bangalore team will be ready to receive the honors. Glen Eagles BGS Hospital, Bangalore team. Please come. The Glen Eagles BGS Hospital team from Bangalore, they are requested to come on stage to receive the certificate and memento. Maitreyi Medicare Limited Surat team is requested to be close to the stage. Maitreyi Medicare Limited Surat team. Maitreyi team, please come on stage. Maitreyi Medicare Limited Surat team, please come on stage to receive the honors. And next will be the AJ Hospital and Research Center, Dakshina Kannada. Dakshina Kannada AJ Hospital and Research Center team will be the next to receive the certificate and memento in this silver category. The next will be the Caritas Hospital and Institute of Health Sciences, Kottayam, Kerala team. From Kerala, Kottayam, we have the Caritas Hospital and Institute of Health Sciences team, and they are requested to be close to the stage to receive the honors. Next will be the Caritas Hospital and Institute of Health Sciences. Please come. Caritas Hospital and Institute of Health Sciences, Kottayam, Kerala team. They are on the stage to receive the honors, and after that the JP Hospital, Gautam Buddha Nagar team is requested to come to close to the stage so that just after this Kerala team, they can receive the honors, the certificate and the memento. Right now the Caritas Hospital and Institute of Health Sciences, Kottayam, Kerala. And after that, the JP Hospital, Gautam Buddha Nagar team. JP Hospital, please come. JP Hospital team, Gautam Buddha Nagar. Next is the Shri Agrasen International Hospital, Delhi. श्री अग्रसेन इंटरनेशनल हॉस्पिटल दिल्ली. एक इन्फॉर्मेशन आप सबके लिए है कि जो यहाँ फोटोग्राफ्स खींची जा रही हैं, that photograph are available with the frame, in fact, for all of you, and you can receive it outside the hall where the counter is available. On that counter, registration counter, this is available. Shri Agrasen International Hospital Delhi team is on stage to receive the certificate and memento, and after that, the Healthcare Global Enterprises Limited Bangalore team is requested to be ready to receive the honors. Shri Agrasen International Hospital Delhi team is receiving the certificate and memento. Please, Healthcare Global Enterprises Limited Bangalore team is requested to come on stage. Please. Next is Aster Mims Hospital, Kerala. Aster Mims Hospital, Kerala team. If they are here, please come. Aster Mims Hospital, Kerala team is requested to be on stage, and they will be receiving the certificate of accreditation and memento. And after that, the Care Hospital, Hyderabad team. The Care Hospital, Hyderabad team is requested to be ready and come close to the stage. Please, Care Hospital, Hyderabad team. Please come. Mahavir, this is Care Hospital, Hyderabad team is on the stage to receive the honors. And next is Mahavir Jaipuria Rajasthan Hospital, Jaipur. Any team member from this hospital? Mahavir Jaipuria Rajasthan Hospital. May I have your attention, please? Mahavir Jaipuria Rajasthan Hospital, Jaipur. Any team member? Please come. Mahavir Jaipuria Rajasthan Hospital, Jaipur team is here on the stage to receive the honors. And after that, the Sri Ringa Hospital, Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. The team is requested, the members from this hospital are requested to be ready to receive the honors. Mahavir Jaipuria Rajasthan Hospital, Jaipur. And the next one, the Sri Ringa Hospital, Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. Madras ENT Research Foundation Private Limited, Chennai team is requested to be ready to receive the honor certificate just after this. And once again, I will inform you these photographs with a frame are available outside where the selfie point is there, and we have a counter there, and you can collect your photographs there. The Madras ENT Research Foundation Private Limited team from Chennai, he is coming to receive the honors. Next is from Punjab, Neelam Hospital. Neelam Hospital, Punjab team is requested to be ready to receive the honors. Please come, Neelam Hospital, Punjab. The next will be from Telangana, Ramdev Rao Hospital. Ramdev Rao Hospital, Telangana will be the next hospital to receive the certificate. Right now, the Neelam Hospital from Punjab receiving the certificate. Ramdev Rao Hospital, Telangana team is requested to come on stage to receive the certificate and memento. And the next will be the Malabar Institute of Medical Sciences Limited, Mallapuram. Malabar Institute of Medical Sciences Limited, Mallapuram team is requested to be ready to receive the certificate. Malabar Institute of Medical Sciences Limited, Mallapuram team is requested to be on the stage. Malabar Institute of Medical Sciences. The next will be the SKS Hospital and Postgraduate Medical Institute, Salem, Tamil Nadu. SKS Hospital and Postgraduate Medical Institute, Salem, Tamil Nadu. Please come. You will get the photographs with a frame. So please come and receive this honor. And next will be the Anil Baghi Hospital, Firozpur, Punjab. The team is requested, the members from this hospital are requested to be close to the stage. Right now, the SKS Hospital and Postgraduate Medical Institute, Salem, Tamil Nadu team is receiving the honors, and Anil Baghi Hospital from Firozpur, Punjab requested to come on stage to receive the honors. Under this silver category, the next will be Malabar Cancer Center, Kannur, Kerala. From Kerala, Kannur, we have Malabar Cancer Center, who will be receiving the silver certificate and memento. If any member of this Malabar Cancer Center, Kannur is here, please come. I think they are not here. The next is Atlantis Delhi team, Atlantis Healthcare Team Delhi. They are requested to please come on a stage to receive this silver certificate of accreditation and memento from our Honorable Chairperson and other dignitaries. Malabar Cancer Center team from Kannur, Kerala, if they are here. No, I think they are not here. तो एक बार जिनके भी हाथ खाली हों, बहुतों में से आपसे ज्यादातर लोगों के हाथ में प्लेट्स हैं, लेकिन जिनके हाथ खाली हों उनकी तरफ से तालियां इन सबके लिए एक बार बजाएं आप सभी मिलकर। हमारे 100 ऐसे चैंपियंस जो डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर अपनी परफॉर्मेंस के जरिए प्लैटिनम, गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर सर्टिफिकेट जिन्हें मिला है एक्रेडिटेशन का, और ये सब मिला है, और इसके जरिए उन्होंने एक मिसाल कायम की है। This is actually the first edition of this kind of certification, and of course the next will follow. वो आप सबके लिए बहुत सारी गुड विशेस हैं, बहुत सारी बधाई और शुभकामनाएं हैं NABH की तरफ से, क्वालिटी काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से, एंड Pallavi Mishra from NABH, please come on stage. Pallavi Mishra from NABH. Pallavi Mishra from NABH is requested to be on the stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, one special award for our young professional who coordinated the entire digital health program, Pallavi Mishra. And she is joining tomorrow PhD at SRM Chennai. So all the best. So we wish all the best to Pallavi. Ladies and gentlemen, another very special award for a master of ceremonies. No one else could have handled the day like he has done. Mr. Janendra Singh Ji. For all those who are not aware, he does the Mann Ki Baat for our Honorable Prime Minister also.
सो देवियों सज्जनों, NABH और QCI की तरफ से आप सभी के लिए बहुत सारी गुड विशेस, बहुत सारी बधाई और बहुत सारी मंगल कामनाएं। आप इसी तरह से विकसित भारत के संकल्प में स्वस्थ भारत की सोच को लेकर आगे बढ़ते रहें और उसमें NABH और QCI के साथ आपका ये इन्वॉल्वमेंट, आपकी कंट्रीब्यूशन, आपकी पार्टिसिपेशन और सपोर्ट इसी रूप में हमेशा रहे, ये हम कामना करते हैं। विद दिस वी कम टू द एंड ऑफ टुडेज अ वेरी हेक्टिक इवेंट and proceedings, and with this once again we extend our gratitude to all the participants, all the panelists, all the experts and moderators and dignitaries who participated in the whole day event. So on behalf of Quality Council of India and on behalf of NABH, we extend our gratitude to all of you, and I will request all of you to please join for the dinner. Thank you very much. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, we are very grateful to our chairperson QCI Jaksha Shah ji, Rizwan Koita Sahab, chairperson NABH, Chakrabarti T. Kanan Sahab, Secretary General QCI, and all the team of QCI, NABH, and all the members of this family. We are grateful for their hard work. They are coming together to make it a great success. Thank you very much, the team QCI.